Hi, welcome back to Country Kitchen. So today my mom's going to be teaching me how to make cornmeal pudding. So let's get started. If you don't have fresh coconut like I'm using now, you can just go ahead use the powdered one and mix it with water, or you can just use the canned coconut milk. So the first thing we're going to do is blend our coconut. We got a fresh coconut from Walmart and it's all cut up and ready to be blended. After blending our coconut, we strained it and measured out 5 cups of coconut milk, and now we're just going to heat it up and add the sugar so that the sugar can dissolve. So we're just adding 1.5 cups of sugar, and after it melting, we're going to taste it and see if it needs more sugar or not. Okay, we're going to add 3/4 stick of butter and let that melt. So now that the sugar is dissolved and the butter is melted, we're going to go and combine our dry ingredients. So we are going to add our cornmeal, flour, and coffee.
Spices, just the spices.
Our spices.
Everything will be linked in the description box for you.
Coconut flakes. Some salt. Mix them up together.
Now we're gonna combine our liquid. Stir while I combine. Stir while. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of vanilla. We already have our Dutch pot greased.
So we're just gonna pour it in our pot now.
So for the first 40 minutes, we're just gonna cover it. The oven is preheated at 280 degrees. Go ahead. So it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. We're gonna remove the cover and put it back in at 350. I already pumped up the oven to 350. Pull it out, Crystal, see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like so far. We're gonna push it back in, continue cooking without the cover. Sometimes I usually just go ahead and add extra liquid on top before putting back the pudding in the oven for an extra 15 minutes without the cover. That is if you want soft top. If you don't want the soft top, that's totally fine to just put it back in there without the cover. After that additional 15 minutes without the cover, this is the pudding. This is my favorite part, the edges. That is why I add a lot of butter in the pot when I am baking it, because I like that crust. I've been teaching the girls how to make different types of Jamaican dessert and Jamaican food overall. Crystal made the total the other day. If you have missed that video, you can go check it out. It's really good. So if that is something that you're interested in, you can go ahead and check out that video. And yeah, leave a thumbs up on this one if you like it. Don't forget to leave a comment as well, and share the video with a friend or family. Have yourself a productive week. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to show some love to your friends and your neighbors, and I'll see you in my next video.